Now this is still not that bad because it's still good or generic evergreen, but unnecessary mod, but still not bad. It's today here on the 21st of September 2022. Taivaanvuohentie Pääkaupunkiseudun, what was the number?
5.
5. Stick saying. Here in Lauttasaari, Helsinki, Helsingfors, and Finland. We will go to the stages B and C in a while soon. The capacity is 2 persons of 160 grams, tiny. It's vision finish. Of course, this also was an unnecessary mod, but it's still generic evergreen, so still not the worst possible generics.
Yeah.
5 horse here. Built in 1955, raised by Hissikeskus in 2021 in last year. So of course we should have been here last year, but this is still not bad. The number is 6241. So it was MP4, just original.
Yeah.
Still has this one original. It's going to be inspecting it next year, 2023. But Kone's evergreen should have been the best.
Yeah.
This is still not bad. With 5 horse. This one could have been at the green light.
Yeah.
Somebody's coming over.
No, not. Inspected by hyvä inspector, maintained by Pääkaupunkiseudun Hissikeskus.
You can press the first one. Okay, that's it. Let's go to the Texas B and see here. Hissikeskus. Hissikeskus.
That's